Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY wedding card invitations. I am in quarantine and I have had so much time to catch up on so many different things. And one thing I've been wanting to do for years since I got married is to film my wedding card invitation tutorial. I did create a tutorial for my wedding card box and a lot of you guys enjoyed that video. So I wanted to add to that series and show you guys how to make simple wedding card invitations with high quality materials such as high quality cardstock and lace and a beautiful bow with a little embellishment. And I created the inside of the invitation along with the RSVP cards in Photoshop. And then I just purchased the envelopes online. So if you are interested in watching this video, just stay right there. You're going to need cardstock, ribbon, lace, embellishments, a hot glue gun, scissors, glue, custom inserts, envelopes, cutting board, and here's everything laid out. What you're going to do first is cut your first layer of black cardstock. You're going to cut this to the desired size. I highly recommend getting a cutting board like this. It helps getting the right measurements. Next, you're going to cut the white cardstock so that it is smaller than the black. You can cut this piece so that it shows as little or as much black as you would like when you layer it. I'm going to cut the edge as well. It's a little too long. After doing this, then you're going to layer lace on top of the white portion of your cardstock. You're going to cut 2 pieces. And you're going to use a light amount of glue to glue the lace down. And you're going to use glue that's meant for fabric. Once you've glued down both sides, you're going to cut the lace and you're going to adjust the edges and glue them down to the inside of the white portion of the cardstock. Don't worry, you're not going to see this portion once it's glued down to the black cardstock. After this, you're going to line up the black ribbon so that it covers the seam between the 2 pieces of lace. And then you're going to use that same fabric glue we used to glue the ribbon down. And you're going to fold the ribbon over and glue to the inside of the white cardstock. Now the first layer of our invitation is almost complete. And now we're going to use the same glue to glue this top portion to the black cardstock. Next step is to create our bow. For this, we're going to use a hot glue gun and we're going to cut the ribbon to our desired length. We're going to cut 2 different pieces and they're going to be 2 different sizes. And we're going to fold and glue towards the middle using our hot glue gun. And we're going to repeat this 2 times. Once complete, we're going to glue the smaller of the 2 to the bigger one. And we're going to glue our embellishment in the middle. And there's our bow. We're almost done. Now we have to cut the inside of the invitation. I created the insert in Photoshop. I used a fake address for the sake of this tutorial. I actually got married in Palm Beach. Once this has been lined up and cut, we're going to use a tape gun for paper crafts. Now we're going to glue down the inserts to the inside of the invitation. And the inside's complete. Now we're going to glue our bow down to the center of the invitation. And our invite's done. Don't forget to create RSVP cards. I also created these in Photoshop. And I ordered these black envelopes online. You can either use an envelope or a box. I used an envelope. And for added drama, you can wrap tulle around the envelopes. And here's the final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY wedding card invitation video. If you'd like to see more DIY videos, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.